Karen.
You don't look like a nun anymore, bro.
Well, you do. Here, put it a little bit to the side, then you look like a nun.
From the side, I will. Do I look like a nun?
Yes.
Hey. He's so retarded. Was! Come here, Was. Come here. Come here.
Come here, Wesley!
Hi, Sticky.
This is YouTube, so say something funny.
Wesley doesn't know anything funny. What are you talking about? See? Goodbye. It's just gonna open. I see you. I see you.
Wesley, it doesn't shut! You're right.
Goodbye.
I'm wearing my Michigan shirt from Michigan since I beat the kicked butt last night, yo.